So it's no secret at this point that OnePlus is launching some new devices. There are rumors that they're gonna launch 3 devices, actually 4 new hardware products. So we're talking about OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, OnePlus 9, maybe R, maybe E. What are they gonna call it? I don't know what they're gonna call it. A budget version of the OnePlus 9, and then also a smartwatch. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I mean, you can see here, I'm on Google News. Google News seems to agree with me. OnePlus 9 release date, price leaks, and so on and so forth. OnePlus 9 series colors detailed affordable model to be called the OnePlus 9R. That's 4 days ago. Here's an update 4 hours ago. Rumor roundup, everything we know so far. R goes for entry, 9 goes for flagship tier, entry, and Pro, well, you know what Pro means. It's all coming out very soon. Anyway, that's what made and makes this particular box in front of me exciting, because it looks like it's gonna be a OnePlus phone. And I know there's only the OnePlus 9 as far as new OnePlus phones that are coming out, but then I feel the weight of this thing and I realize that's not what they've sent me. Although I fully expect to receive those actual phones very soon, this is a bit of a teaser, a precursor. There is a hint inside of this package about those upcoming devices. This is a mysterious delivery from OnePlus, and actually it becomes clear that that's the case when I read the back of the package right here, which says oneplus.com/moonshot. They care a lot about the moon, and they've shared photos of the moon that were previously shot on Hasselblad cameras, which leads me to this particular promotion and the other portion of this announcement potentially, which is a collaboration between Hasselblad and OnePlus on the camera unit. We have seen these relationships in the past from manufacturers where a camera company, they slap the badge, have some sort of a collaboration on, maybe it's a feature in the camera, maybe it's something to do with the lens or lens coating. Anyway, OnePlus got Hasselblad, and Hasselblad is absolutely no joke. Look at this thing. This is a Hasselblad. X system, H system, V system. And they don't even put the price. You see this dude over here with the, putting together portions by hand. These are very, very high-end cameras and have been actually for a long time. We are talking about many thousands of dollars for a camera like this. And we do have one in studio that Kirk just went to look for. Oh my God, it is here. Look at this. This was a totally, I did not realize we were gonna have this moment. Look at this beast. Kablamo. Which model do we, well, first of all, this is a 120mm macro lens. Maybe we can insert, Vin is actually here as well. This is perfect timing. My God, Vin, get over here. Get over here, tell me about this camera. H6D100C, and actually that's the model I have on camera right now, but with a much, I have it on my desktop right now, but with a much smaller lens on it. 100 megapixels. They do make a 400C, which is even more ridiculous. It's a medium format camera. The idea here is tremendous resolution, the ability to crop into a frame, zoom into a frame, reframe your image. Obviously, this is not a smartphone. Hasselblad is gonna team up with OnePlus and bring, I don't know, some expertise or some sort of a feature. Maybe it's gonna be some massive type of zoom. I don't know what they're gonna do. We'll find out shortly. Look at the size of this focus. Oh my God. I'm gonna put this to the side. It's not the point of this video, but that was just a fitting moment right there. So because of this partnership, they've been doing some unique marketing tactics like sharing old moon photos, and for some reason talking about a lot about the moon and moonshot. Actually, before I open this, let me just go to /moonshot, oneplus.com/moonshot, and just see what they're showing me here. Something new is on the horizon. Stay tuned, March 8th, and it's a moon photo. It's just a placeholder. You put your email address and they're gonna tell you more. I know we're gonna find out more on the 8th. We're gonna have a little bit of fun in the meantime as we await these new phones. Let's see what this mysterious package has to offer. Something new is on the horizon. OnePlus, hello friend. You probably weren't expecting space ice cream, were you? Just a little something to hold you over until March 8th, and then there's a QR code on there. So in the meantime, to keep the hype train rolling, they have provided some space ice cream. Flavor number 1, Cookies and Cream Cosmic Ice Cream. Flavor number 2. Cosmic Ice Cream Mint Chocolate Chip. Now, some people call this like astronaut ice cream that you could take with you. It's freeze-dried, ready to eat anywhere on the planet without the need for refrigeration. Actually, it says a crunchy and creamy snack with 0 artificial ingredients and no refrigeration needed. Actually, I read the ingredients. It sounds kind of maybe even healthy. I don't know. Organic cream or organic sugar, organic skim milk, coconut oil, cocoa, peppermint extract, natural vanilla flavor, guar gum, locust bean gum, cornstarch, and soy. I don't know. I feel like it may be able to make it into Kirk's diet. I don't know if it passes his criteria. Sheesh. Last up, we have the strawberry. So it's going to be 3 flavors. I'll tell you what's best. Look at the pastel colors. Is that an indication? Collaborate? I don't know. Is it a hint? Are they telling us about what to expect? Or are these just the flavors offered by this cosmic company they've collaborated with? That's possible too. Anyway, the box, that's pretty much it. But it is cool that they put it in a legit, like this is similar to what they ship the phones in. Let's kick it off with Cookies and Cream. I will try this one first. So there's a little tearaway. They make it easy on the top. Oh, wait. Oh, packs within the pack? Now, Kirk is telling me I've tried this before. I honestly do not recall ever having eaten this. How big of a chunk do I take? I don't really know. It looks like cookies and cream. Let me give you an up close if you've never seen this stuff. Freeze-dried astronaut ice cream. Probably lasts a really long time, and you eat it at your preference. Anyway, I mean, it looks somewhat appetizing. If I was in space, I would deal with it. Here we go. You know what? It's not ice cream, but it's not bad. How to describe such a thing? There's a bit of cookie flavor. It has like a dense, but light but dense thing going on. It's a lot of texture happening for you. There's a sweetness, but not overly sweet. I could have it as a snack. It's all about space. Have you ever seen the space hype that's going on right now? Whether you're talking about SpaceX, you're talking about moon photos, talking about Hasselblad, OnePlus wants in on the moon train. Everybody loves space. All right, that was Cookies and Cream. Let's move over to Mint Chocolate Chip. I'll tell you which one's the best. I'll tell you, don't you worry. It is an interesting packaging idea, though, that like the wrapper is gonna already be split in the package. It's a bit concerning, but then it does tell you on the thing, like, yeah, that's the way we do it to facilitate the freeze-dry process. Now, I'm very familiar with mint flavored ice cream. Mint chocolate chip, these things, I have experienced lots of it. So keep that in mind as this taste test goes down right here. The mint is coming through. First, the creaminess of the cookies and cream and the mint is not with a regular mint punch. Hopefully we can catch this. Like, you can see the chocolate chip there. There is no mint coloring. And I don't know what the feelings are on that. Sometimes you'll get a mint chocolate chip ice cream that feels no need to be green in color. Other times the green will act as an immediate indicator that you're in for some mint. I don't care one way or the other. I can handle either or. Last up is strawberry, coming for the title, coming for the championship. And this is the most boring looking, the most fragrant. By far the most fragrant. So I'm gonna pull a piece out. The look at this one is probably the most space-aged, like future food, because it doesn't even resemble anything. It looks like a hunk of the moon, actually, in my analysis here. But let's go ahead. By far the most sweetness, which is gonna help it out, but I'll take that. All right. Organic cream, sugar, organic strawberries, skim milk, crunchy and creamy snack. I can get behind something like that. You know what? Well done, OnePlus. You've effectively increased my hype level through the use of sugar and various other food-based techniques, and the moon and space and the freeze drying of goods. We're of course going to find out a lot more soon. I'll probably have a live stream. I'll definitely have the devices. If you never tried cosmic ice cream or freeze-dried ice cream or astronaut ice cream, I say give it a shot. I don't know. It's not ice cream, to be clear. Ice cream is possibly the most advanced human technology, period. I mean, I've said this before in the past. If aliens were to visit, I would hit them with the ice cream if if they only had the chance to try one thing, because ice cream is messing with you on multiple levels. Of course, there's flavor, but then there's texture. And you tell me another food that goes from a solid to a liquid just through temperature exchange as it touches. It's dynamic. Ice cream, there's more to ice cream. I want you to think about it. All right, that might, now who knows? I mean, do the aliens even need nutrition? Do they even need calories? Probably not, but what am I talking about? OnePlus, thanks for the ice cream. Astronaut ice cream. Freeze-dried ice cream. It's not ice cream. I feel like you guys want to taste this ice cream now.
No.